Tech Future. Explore the future today.
Welcome to Tech Future. In this episode, we take a look at the craziest off-road vehicles everyone wants to ride. From the Skeleton Coast to the Himalayas, the KTM 1290 Super Adventure R is built for the most challenging trails. He pushed this bike to its limits, testing out the new shorter frame and the V-shaped engine, which delivers an impressive 160 horsepower. It's the most compact and powerful in its class, with fuel consumption at just 5.7 liters per 100 kilometers. Atrina is a completely new yet classic snow and swamp buggy, featuring innovative design elements never before seen in this type of vehicle. Its design is based on two independent, boat-like frames with hydraulic drive and a fully controlled steering system. Powered by a 120 horsepower gas engine, it can reach a top speed of 45 km/h and carry a payload of 800 kilos. Since the age of 5, Tony Polino has been passionate about off-roading and Jeeps. However, according to Polino, not only are standard parts insufficient for true extreme riding, but even many custom parts fall short. This led him to found GenRight Off-Road, where he began creating parts that have become popular even on public roads. We're talking about shock absorbers with 36 meters of travel, suspension brackets twice as thick as standard ones, and light covers made from 3.2mm cold-rolled steel. This is just a small glimpse of what GenRight Off-Road offers, and the results of their upgrades can be better appreciated in one video than described in 1,000 words. The Ripsaw Rover made its debut in 2001, and today military enthusiasts worldwide are captivated by the Ripsaw EV2. Its creators describe it as a luxury tank, featuring gull-wing doors, the ability to drift, and a control panel that resembles that of a space shuttle. It adds a hint of glamour to the life of a typical tank driver. Powered by a 700 horsepower 6.6L diesel engine, the Ripsaw EV2 accelerates from 0 to 80 km/h in just 5.5 seconds, a remarkable feat given its 4-ton weight. Alumicraft is well versed in off-road speed. If you need a fast vehicle that can secure a win, Alumicraft is the one to call. Their standard model, the Sportsman 2, comes with rear-wheel drive, a suspension with 55 mm of travel, and a powerful engine producing around 1,500 horsepower. It's designed to accommodate up to 2 people, but if you prefer riding with friends, don't worry. The Sportsman 4 offers all the same features with a cabin that seats 2 additional passengers. Once upon a time, a custom studio named Lazarus created the WAZUMA, a hybrid of a bike, an ATV, and something straight out of Batman's garage. It was a hit with both its creators and the public. The WAZUMA came in various versions, featuring 3 or 4 wheels, and even made an appearance at the Geneva Motor Show, impressing the audience with its powerful engines, like the BMW V12 with 500 horsepower. But that wasn't enough for the team at Lazarus, so they created the TriAZUMA, a similar concept, but in the form of a snowmobile. This technological marvel can reach speeds of 200 km/h, offering yet another thrill for daredevils. The best part? Lazarus designed a kit that allows you to convert a WAZUMA into a TriAZUMA and back again in just a few hours. The Venom LS Cobra is a remarkable leap in snowmobile evolution. It features a suspension with an impressive 50 cm of travel and a 132 horsepower engine. Equipped with low-pressure tires, even the test models can easily navigate through snow and mud. The Venom LS Cobra also boasts a unique frame made from 30 HGSA steel, commonly used in aircraft construction. Measuring 3.2 x 2.3 x 3 meters, it's controlled with a motorcycle-style handlebar. A cool combination. It can carry up to 350 kg. If you're interested, the manufacturer's website is already accepting pre-orders and sharing the price with potential buyers. Meet the PONCIN, an amphibious vehicle that's not only fun, but also quite rare. Developed in France during the 1970s, production ceased by 1993. Despite this, PONCIN left a significant mark in transportation history. For instance, the GP65 model participated in the 1985 Paris-Dakar Rally, and the PONCIN VP2000 even earned the nickname Lunar Jeep. Some of these vehicles have survived to this day, and you can see them in action on the YouTube channel of their creator, Sil PONCIN. With tank-like controls and removable tracks, they are pretty impressive. The amphibious VP2000 model was equipped with an engine from a small Citroën 2CV, and despite its modest 29 horsepower, it was more than capable of handling rough terrain. The Tucker Sno-Cat Model 2000. Trail Boss lives up to its lengthy name with an equally long list of features. This machine is designed for maintaining trails, slopes, and other winter recreation areas, making it clear who's in charge of the snow. With a 326 horsepower diesel engine, automatic transmission, and hydraulic power steering, Sno doesn't stand a chance. Even the small details, like heated mirrors, prove useful when operating a machine that stretches up to 8 meters and is equipped with front and rear attachments. The next all-terrain vehicle is called the Hunta. When it first hit the market, it was priced at $559,500, and in this case, every cent was well justified. It's no wonder that even customers from the Emirates purchased these vehicles. So what impressed them? Let's take a look at its features. First, the Hunta can float thanks to its propeller, allowing it to reach speeds of up to 8 km/h on water. Second, it boasts an impressive ground clearance of 66 km. And third, even with a relatively modest engine offering 81 or 95 horsepower, the Hunta can reach speeds of about 70 km/h on land. The Lesnik Master is a compact, articulated vehicle designed to tackle both snow and swamps. Measuring 5.2 meters in length with a low center of gravity, it offers 47 centimeters of ground clearance and can carry up to 500 kilotons of cargo. The cabin accommodates 3 people, and it's powered by a 37 horsepower diesel engine paired with a 5-speed manual transmission. The Lesnik Master can reach speeds of up to 42 km/h with a base price of $40,662. It drives like a Jeep Gladiator, it handles like a Jeep Gladiator, and it even smells like a Jeep Gladiator. But there's one big difference. It's an amphibious vehicle. The creators put in a lot of effort, even adding a propeller from a boat motor. Design-wise, it's clear this vehicle is ready to hit the water, reaching a respectable speed of 26 km/h on water, and with its V6 engine, 161 km/h on land. Currently, it's listed on SoFloCustom.com for $100,000. Ready to climb aboard? The TERRANICA Dreamtrack stands out, particularly because it can be towed on a trailer behind a regular car. With a curb weight of just 1,150 kilos, it's easy to handle, but that's just the beginning. The Dreamtrack features a unique engine design that leaves plenty of space inside, accommodating up to 6 people. For long trips, this space can even be converted into a sleeping area. One distinctive feature is its turning mechanism, which utilizes specially designed onboard friction clutches. It also boasts a fuel capacity of 120 liters, and with its 150 horsepower turbo diesel engine, it can cover about 400 kilometers on a full tank. As for the price, you can purchase it online for around $56,500. Meet the USM 39 Karandash, a rugged vehicle crafted by the Russian company Ural SP Smash. It's designed to transport people, cargo, and special equipment in challenging off-road conditions, and it does so with ease. Powered by a 240 horsepower engine and boasting 40 centimeters of ground clearance, this vehicle can reach speeds of up to 62 km/h, even off-road. Weighing 12.5 tons, it has the capacity to carry up to 2.5 tons of cargo. The USM 39 incorporates the reliable transmission and running gear of the tracked armored MTLB vehicle. It's also equipped with smoke detectors, a global navigation satellite system, double glazing, rear-view cameras and headlamps. All in all, the price of $97,000 seems quite fair. The Brigadir 66 cargo passenger snow and swamp buggy is the perfect companion to the aforementioned all-terrain vehicle designed to support a group or a single heavy vehicle. Its job is to transport heavy loads fuel, spare parts and animal feed. Made by SKB Gastromachina, it features 6 low-press tires measuring 1,650 by 650 mm, giving it a ground clearance of 55 cm. This means that it can handle deep snow, heavy soil and bogs with ease. If a tire gets punctured, the Brigadir has a tire inflation system with a compressor capacity of 160 L per minute for $64,000. It allows you to venture where no one has gone before. The Mukuta 10 Plus isn't your typical electric scooter. It's more exhilarating than many motorcycles. With 2800 W of power, it can reach speeds of up to 74 km/h, so full motorcycle gear is a must. It's also built for off-road adventures, capable of handling hills with up to a 30-degree incline. The scooter features independent front and rear suspension with enhanced springs, and the Samsung battery ensures the adrenaline keeps flowing, offering a range of 100 km for the standard version and 119 km for the top version. The price is $1,900 or $2,300, depending on the version. The story of the Tarus EV2 begins with its price, just $1,750, making it more affordable than the Mukuta 10 Plus scooter, and in many ways, even better. Thanks to its clever design, the Tarus EV2 can fit in a car trunk, but don't be fooled into thinking it's just a toy. This is a genuine all-wheel drive motorcycle capable of handling snow up to 35 cm deep. You might wonder about the seat height. It's designed so the rider can touch the ground with their feet, aiding in navigating tough terrain. The Tarus EV2 can reach speeds of up to 38 km/h, and its 12-litre tank provides up to 10 hours of ride time. This beast seems to have been built for one purpose: to put on wild shows. While not much is known about it, we do know it packs 2 9.4L supercharged Chevy V8 engines under the hood. Its origin story is quite fascinating as well. The car was initially built by a hobbyist from Colorado and was later sold to Bob Chandler, the creator of Bigfoot. Chandler continued to upgrade it, giving it an Econoline body and installing a couple of Ford engines, renaming it Bigfoot Fast Traxx. After Bob got injured during a stunt, he sold the monster to Chandler Lloyd. Lloyd continued to enhance it, giving it an Aerostar body and Chevy engines and renaming it Overtime Traxx. Surprisingly, the beast is up for sale again. While its legality is unclear, $100,000 isn't bad for a vehicle capable of crushing cars and jumping fences or sand dunes. The Lynxx LXIV is a truly unique machine. While it may look like an all-terrain vehicle, it's actually a floating multi-purpose platform. Designed to assist a variety of users, from oil workers to rescue teams, it can even reduce the need for helicopters. Its innovative design begins with modularity. 2 people can assemble or disassemble it in just 8 hours. Once assembled, the Lynxx LXIV can carry 1.8 tons of cargo on its platform and an equal amount on a trailer. It can climb slopes up to 35 degrees and reach speeds of up to 23 km/h, all powered by its 99 horsepower John Deere diesel engine. Additionally, it comes with various modules, including snowplows and a crane. Like a spider, this buggy scrambles uphill off-road. You might think it's Peter Parker's new ride, but with the right experience, this type of driving can lead to rock crawling or rock racing competitions. It's an entire world with its own stars and rules. Some publications even compare the Super Crawl event to the Olympics. The task is simple. The faster you complete the track, filled with its insane obstacles, the better. Naturally, the driver will need a spotter. Competitors get to showcase their skills. Transmissions can fail, and cars might even flip over. But that's all part of the fun. What do you think about these amazing vehicles? We're looking forward to hearing your opinions in the comments. If you enjoyed the content, don't forget to like our channel and subscribe.